Okay, I've got something new to show you guys. I was sent some products to try, and I will try and cover up my address, but to show you the brand. Right, so that's the brand, Saint Nails. Now, I've not used these guys before, and like I said, these were sent to me for trial, free of charge, and I'm very, very grateful for that. Thank you very much, Saint Nails. So, if you can have a look there, saintnails.com. I will leave their details in the description box, so I will be giving these a try. I'm going to be doing my nails, and this will be going on. So what I have is a base coat, and I chose the non-white top coat. I was able to choose what I wanted, so I chose the non-white top coat. I chose this gorgeous purple colour, and I shall open it for you to see. Now, if you can see that it's really quite thick and gloopy. I've not had a polish with that kind of consistency before that makes quite such long strings, so this will be interesting to use. They do say on their website that their gels are thicker than other brands, so to last longer on manicure, so we shall see how it works with application. So yes, I will be showing you that. Oops, and that colour is, let's have a look if it's on here, Black Forest Gâteau. That's what that colour is, and this colour is Mochaccino. I chose this one because I thought it was gorgeous as well. I thought if I chose a cream and a glitter, I'd get quite a good feel for the products. That's the colour of this one. It's a lovely, beautiful nude. It's got kind of a mauvey hint to it. It's a lovely nude. I think for my skin tone, it will go quite well. But yes, I will be doing those on these nails once I get them off, and we shall see how the application goes, and I shall come back and tell you what my final thoughts are. But the packaging looks lovely. I really like the packaging. It's really very professional, and the bottles are huge. This is let's have a look. Oh, it doesn't say on there, but I think, oh yes it does, 15 mils. These ones are 15 mil bottles, which is really massive, and I think this one is a 10. Yeah, this one's 10 mil. Good sized bottles, will last a long time. Thumbs up on that. But yeah, I'll come back and after I've done my nails, and we'll see how it goes. As you can see, I have finished applying my acrylics, so I'm going in with this gorgeous Black Forest Gâteau colour, and it's going on really smoothly. Quite impressed. I thought I might struggle a bit with the application, given that they are thick, and I'm not used to that, but didn't have any trouble at all. They went on really, really nicely. And this colour, this Mochaccino, oh, it's to die for. A lot of people think nude is boring, but I am a huge nude fan, and this colour is lush. Really, really like this colour, and I was right, it does go with my skin tone. I'm mixed race, so I'm not dark, but then I'm not really pale, so I'm sort of in between, and I think it went on really nicely. Now this gel polish I'm using now is an Elite 99. It's nothing to do with Saint Nails, because I just wanted to do an accent nail in a different colour, and I really wanted it to be that colour, and I only had 2 from Saint Nails, so I went on with that. And it's one of those hybrid ones, so it's a half and half sort of mix of nail polish and gel, so it does actually air dry. So when I was doing my cleanup, instead of using alcohol like I normally use when I'm doing my gel polish to clean up with a brush, I actually had to use acetone to get the metallic polish off my skin and clean up, because it did start to dry. So just saying. But as for the Saint Nails ones, look at that, and that's only one coat, and it's gone on really lovely. Going in with the second coat now, and you'll see the depth of colour. Beautiful. You saw me mix a bit of clear with the Black Forest Gatto, and I'm going in on the wet layer of Mochaccino and making a sort of rose abstract pattern. I'm sorry I keep going out of shot. It's really frustrating. I understand that it will annoy some people, because it annoys me looking back like, oh, you're not in shot, can't see what you're doing, you're frustrating me. But oh, it's really hard when you're doing your own nails to stay in shot, because you know, you turn your hands flipping around because you've got to see what you're doing. Sorry, all I can say is I'm sorry. I'm trying, but you can see sort of a little bit what I'm doing. Yeah, you can see a little bit there. So once that was finished, I cured. Obviously I cured every layer. I cured for 30 seconds for the first layer, another 30 seconds for the second layer, and then I'm going in with the top coat and I'll cure that for 60 seconds. So I decided to make my own gem with the Black Forest Gatto. So I've got a little mould. Now I got this mould from either AliExpress or eBay. I can't actually remember what one it is. And it's just a little mould for shapes. You've got all different shapes in it. And I chose an oval shape. So I'm just putting layers of the gel in the mould, and I'm tapping it to get the bubbles out just in case. And I'm curing. Now I'm curing each layer for 2 minutes just to be on the safe side, because it's a dark colour, and you know, I really wanted it to cure properly. And then pop it out of the mould, file off any rough edges, clean it off with alcohol, and then you'll see me, I'm gonna top coat it, and then I'll attach it to my nail. And I think it came out really well, actually. I was quite happy with that. It's the first time I've used that mould. I've used other little moulds before, but not that particular one. And that was that. So it has been. So it has been approximately 4 weeks since I applied these rather gorgeous colours, and as you can see, they have lasted very, very well. In fact, they're in perfect condition. There is barely any tip wear at all. Don't know if you can see that, but the colour is still on the tips. No tip wear. For 4 weeks, no tip wear. Well, there is a tiny bit on the edges where my edges have worn down. The middle still has the colour on them, which is absolutely fabulous. Look at that, the colour is still there. There's been no peeling, no chipping, perfect, absolutely perfect condition. It's stayed shiny. There are scuff marks here and here, but that's from where I've done practice. You know, I've been doing practice nails, and I've caught myself with the nail file. But that's obviously nothing to do with the product itself. That's just me getting crazy with the hand file. But look at that. Look how shiny that is still. 4 weeks and it's still perfectly shiny. Come on now. Now I don't just get something, show you and say it's great, unless it's something like glitter where you can really already see that it's good. But when it comes to things like this, I like to test them out to the max and see how they get on, so that I can actually give you an informed opinion on them, not just say, oh yeah, it's great, because that's not helpful to anyone. So it's better for you to be able to see that what I'm saying is true, as opposed to me just saying, yeah, but go buy it, it's great. No. So I will always give you informed
opinions on products. I won't just get something and say it's great without showing you the proof of it. So here is the proof of it. Look at that. Perfect. So yes, I highly recommend these guys. I will put their details in the description box for you as always. So that's all for now, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.